psychological element of that. Like, Ishita, you are great. You said that you failed.
Yeah.
I mean, many people actually struggle to say for them it's such an ego point, especially for lawyers, to be able to overcome. But this happens, and this is. Tell us a little bit more. I should say one thing, my friends. Ishita also is an author of a book about mental health, and she is mentoring people to help them, to overcome different difficulties. And it's very much linked to spirituality and yoga, right? Tell us a few things about that. Let's talk about the psychological element.
Sure, Olga. I think it's very daunting as it is the exam because of the competency and difficulty level of the exam, right? So when I kind of enrolled for it, I was like confident. I was thinking, no, I'm going to crack it. Like, I'm going to study it, cramp everything, and I'm going to take the MCT and clear it, right? But what happened? I failed. And then I realized that no, I need to prepare more. I need to be smarter in what I study and what I kind of take out, right? So, and I hadn't given myself enough time to prepare. Like I think I sat it in January and I started my prep probably in October the previous year. So I didn't give myself enough time. So there were learning lessons, but I didn't get deterred by it. I said, because this is something I really want to do, and no matter how much time it takes, may take me a year to do both the exams or year and a half, but I was willing to give my 100%. And yeah, it looks difficult, but it's achievable. If we can do it, so can you. So, but you need the right strategy. You need to be consistent, and you need to keep telling yourself that it's not impossible. And also it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. You'll be waking up every day, studying heaps of stuff, then sleeping and waking up the next day doing the same thing. It can get monotonous. So don't let yourself be bogged down or pressured by it. Enjoy the journey. If you enjoy what you're studying, what you're learning, and at the end of it, look at the brighter side, you will evolve as a much better and much, skilled lawyer. Your professional career your growth, your understanding of everything, it will really expand your horizon. So you have to look at the bigger picture here and then take it from there. Otherwise, it's going to be stressful. You're going to be saying that, oh, what am I doing in my life? Like, I'm just sitting here studying where my friends are like just going out, having a good time. But you have to really, have perspective if you really want to do this exam.
Yeah, psychological element is a huge part of the preparation, because eventually you can be super prepared, but when you go there and your hands are shaking and you actually do something wrong, that is a little bit a problem.